Namaskar friends, welcome to Electronics Technology YouTube channel. Topic of defense technology news is Boeing Canada invests in Aero to expand domestic aerospace manufacturing and strengthen CP8A Poseidon supply chain. Boeing Canada has committed $7 million Canadian to Aero International Incorporated to support expanded manufacturing capabilities under the CP8A Poseidon Industrial and Technological Benefits Program. The investment will fund the purchase of 2 vacuum furnaces to support aerospace production. The equipment will be installed for use in Boeing's Tube, Duct and Reservoir Center in Algona, Washington. The furnaces will be used to heat treat tube and duct assemblies critical to multiple Boeing aircraft programs. We're pleased to support Aero with the purchase of this new equipment for our fabrication facility, which serves our commercial programs and select space and defense work, said Ul Meinzinger, president of Boeing Canada. This ITB investment underscores Boeing's commitment to Canada following the CP8A Poseidon selection and to modern manufacturing and Canadian small businesses in our global supply chain. Aero, a Canadian aerospace and defense supplier with facilities in Ontario and Quebec, said the agreement will expand its domestic manufacturing capacity. The company supports aerospace and defense customers across Canada, North America and international markets. This Boeing purchase commitment allows us to further expand Aero's Canadian manufacturing capacity. We will be able to better support our aerospace and defense customers in Canada, North America and beyond, said Michael Myasek, Chief Executive Officer of Aero. Boeing said it has completed more than $15.5 billion Canadian in industrial and technological benefits programs in Canada over the past 4 decades. The CP8A Poseidon program includes more than 80 Canadian suppliers supporting production. Each of the more than 170 P-8 aircraft currently in service globally contains approximately $11 million Canadian in Canadian content. This has contributed to over $2 billion Canadian in contracts with Canadian companies. Canada's ITB policy is delivering real economic results. Aero's partnership with Boeing will boost manufacturing capacity, create high-quality jobs, and strengthen Canada's defense industrial base, said Mélanie Joly, Minister of Industry and Minister responsible for Canada Economic Development for Quebec regions. Investments like this reinforce Canada's industrial strength and position our companies for long-term success. Officials said the CP8A ITB program is expected to support around 3,000 jobs and add $358 million Canadian annually to Canada's economy over the next decade. The investment is also seen as strengthening Canada's role in the global aerospace supply chain. This $7 million investment by Boeing in Aero is a strong vote of confidence in Ontario's advanced manufacturing sector and the skilled workforce here in Burlington and across our province, said Fej Triantafilopoulos, Member of Provincial Parliament for Oakville North Burlington. By expanding vacuum furnace capacity and strengthening participation in the CP8A Poseidon ITB program, this partnership will help drive innovation, create good-paying jobs, and reinforce Ontario's role as a key player in the global aerospace supply chain. Our government will continue to support investments that grow our economy and ensure Ontario remains a destination of choice for cutting-edge manufacturing. Do you like this video? Please subscribe, share, like and press bell icon for getting notifications of Electronics Technology YouTube channel, and for searching my YouTube channel please write @Electronics Technology 50.